Este es un video de Dylan, es un investigador de lo paranormal. Se dedica a hacer, pues, visitas a lugares abandonados. En este video que le voy a mostrar al principio, es un video ya pasadito, un video que ya había subido anteriormente. Pero para que lo entiendan, lo puse en contexto aquí, unido al otro, para que vean de lo que él está hablando y de lo que sucede, porque muchos dicen que no le creyeron de lo que sucedía ahí y decide ir de nuevo a la casa. Así que vámonos con este video, gente. Deje su comentario y deje su opinión. La verdad que este video está muy interesante porque él es de por allá de los bosques apalaches. Así que vámonos a verlo. Dejen su follow y su comentario.
So, I'm gonna set you guys somewhere. Like, here?
In 800 feet, turn left.
Or I could do it. That'll do a shadow that way. I'll do it like that, I guess. Okay. If there's anyone here who would like to communicate with us, please touch this red light here in front of me, and it will make noises, and then we can try to communicate through it. I'm gonna be real, I'm kinda terrified. Hello?
Head north.
Oh, fuck! God damn it. I'm getting the fuck out of here. Something's on the fucking roof.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Dice Dylan que no fue una buena idea regresar porque pues, simplemente por lo que le sucedió anteriormente. Van a ver este video realmente lo que se encuentra y pónganse audífonos y pónganle ojo.
Turn right. Turn right. Turn right. Turn right.
I posted a video a little while ago, and it was this video. If there's anyone here who would like to... This might be a horrible idea, but we're going back. And I say we as in you and me. I am packing accordingly. Okay, I know I can't really show this. This is mainly for like any kind of wild animals, just to like scare them off. Worst come to worst, if something happens, I have it. I also am thinking about maybe doing a longer video of this whole investigation on my channel. So if you are interested in that video, you know, will be up. Okay, and so people asked me, they were like, why did you have the GPS still going? Like, why did you leave the GPS on? It's because I don't currently have phone service, because wild fucking thing. I didn't pay my phone bill, and so they turn off the service. Like, who does that? But I digress. To use the GPS to get there and to get back, I have to leave it like actively going. So that's the tea, that's why. So I guess I happen to park back here. Here's the house that everything happened in last time. Up there is where I saw that face in the window. And then that is where everybody saw something else. I think let's go to a different house. We're going to set up this doorway is open right here. There's a lot of doorways and I'm kind of a little spooked, honestly. Okay, I'm gonna set up this. Do you think? If anyone's here who wants to speak with us, this red light here in the middle of the room in front of me, if you can just come near it, then I think that's just the reflection from this window back at it. Hello?
Bueno, este es un video más de lo paranormal, mi gente. Espero les haya gustado. Realmente interesante lo que hace este chico. La verdad, se ocupa muchos pantalones para estar en un lugar solo, solamente tú solito, ahí con un detector y rifársela con esa cosa que esté ahí. Porque la verdad se ocupan muchos pantalones. Si nunca lo he experimentado, experimentelo. Véalo, Bosque Palaches y me muero por ir.
In 800 feet, turn left. Turn right.